হুম, হুম। এবার দেখো ইলাস্ট্রেশন 2, another drawing pattern, industry versus profit loss. So some entries are negative, like textile there is a loss of 12 lakh, and in the garment sector there is a loss of 24 lakhs, etc. So another, there is a simple simple bar, but see this presentation. This is a horizontal representation. Here, actually, what we did, actually the frequency, along the x-axis we have the frequency, along the y-axis we have the x values. X means the industry sector. Sector 1 is garment sector, x value. Another is sugar sector, textile sector, oil sector, and cement sector. So here the along the y-axis. So this presentation is called horizontal bar. Okay. And since there are some values are negative, like minus 12 lakh for the textile industries loss, okay. So we represent like this 12, minus 24 like this. Again, we use the freehand drawing. So maybe minus 24, 24 মানে এইখানটা আসবে, something present like here. So this point is approximately 24. Approximately minus 24. Approx. আমি জাস্ট এক্সাম্পল দেখালাম একটা বোঝার সুবিধার্থে। So cement industry minus 24, textile industry minus 12. Again, I use this scaling light 10 difference between each point. We use this 10 difference scaling. 10. এই কতটা গ্যাপ দেবে স্কেলিং এ এটা পুরোপুরি নিজের উপর। চয়েস ইজ মানে আইদার ইউ ক্যান মানে 5 or 10 or 20 or 50 or 100 whatever, depending on the range of values. Okay. Now there is an acha golpoga bole rakhi, you can draw this presentation is horizontal representation. You can draw a vertical presentation also, just like the before case কোথায় গেল আগেরটা, just a minute, like this. You can draw a vertical representation also for that. This is vertical representation because the bar are in vertical formation, but in this case the bars are in horizontal formation, like parallel case. Okay. Now multiple bar. What is the multiple bar? Here you see there is a bivariate data. Although bivariate data is not in our syllabus, but sometimes you get this type of questions in your previous year question paper. So I bound to do this. Like you see in this particular table, there are two variables. Variable X indicates the industry, and variable Y indicates the year. X has 5 values, you can say, like 4 values, sorry, no, 3 values. X has 3 values: chemical, engineering, and services. Similarly, Y has 3 values, like 1997, 98, 1998, 99, and also 1999, 2000. And each data is a bivariate data. Why? Because this implies in the case of industry is chemical, and year is 1997, 98. So each data, for example, this data also is a bivariate data. In each indicates the service is equal to industry is equal to service, and year is equal to 98, 99. So there is a bivariate data, and when you have some bivariate data type, you have to represent this bivariate data type in bar diagram. You have to use multiple bar diagram concept. How can you represent them? Let us see. First of all, we already know there are two variables like this. There are two variables. One is industry and another Y, year. So I write Y along the x-axis. I write Y along the x-axis. Year. And industry inflow along the Y along the x-axis, and industry inflow along this axis. This is the variable, and this is another variable. Okay. And say if we subdivided them or year wise, there are 4 entries: chemical, engineering, service sector, food sector. Similarly, for the next year, chemical entry, food sector, next engineering entry, service sector entry, and food sector entry. You can see these values. If you bhule jao, they are go dekhai. For example, for the 1997, 98, 4 entries ache ki 956, 2155, 1194, 418. देखना एक बार चेक करे. Nine five six 2155 1194 418. Okay. So this is the representation pattern. Again, how can I plot this values? You see, for the maximum values is 2155. Out of these all data like 956 to 525, maximum value is 2155. So I plot go up to 255 and giving the gap between each data as 500. Again, I use a rough sketch like 956 is here, and then corresponding 2155 data, that is for engineering. For the year this, then service is this, food is this, then given gap between the next value, and again there is a multiple. So it is, this concept is called multiple bar diagram. For each year there is a multiple bar and they are combined. Sometimes it's called combined bar diagram. Okay. Now the case of shading. Shading is depends on you. You can use the মানে পরীক্ষার সময় তো এত কঠিন শেড দেওয়া অনেক সময় মুশকিল আছে, তো you can use the simple shading like dot dot, shadow, cross, plus, etc. Simply why I use this shading? To identify each bar, to differentiate between each bar pattern, and you have to write the numeric value at the top of each bar as usual, and you have to see this mentioned in column like this. ওকে, খুব সোজা আমি একবার গো থ্রু করছি যাতে তোমাদের বুঝতে সুবিধা হয়। এমনি বেসিক্যালি কিছু নেই, শুধু ড্রয়িংটা হাতে পেনে একবার প্র্যাকটিস করলে সুবিধা হবে। ওকে, নাও the last case, that is subdivided bar. Here again there are two variables, that is again subdivided bar is used for the bivariate data also. Again, that is used for the bivariate data, not for the multivariate, univariate data. Subdivided bar is used, but for the bivariate data it is used. And here there are two type of variable. That is, one is year variable. Another is country variable. Say X is year and Y is country. So Y has 5 values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X also 5 values. Right? And also there is a, for the subdivided bar diagram, you require this column also. Either a total column or a total row, like at least one, either total column or like, as I write, like total row. Total means this plus this plus this plus this plus this, and you can write this, or you can write this total is here. You may write both two, this এই কলামটা এবং এই রোটা দুটোকে লিখতে পারো, অথবা একটা লিখতে পারো, যেরকম আমি একটা লিখেছি। যে কোনো একটা তোমার লাগবেই, পরীক্ষা যদি নাও দেওয়া থাকে, you have to write this. Okay, then how can you draw? It is a little bit calculative with respect to the multiple and simple. কিরকম ক্যালকুলেশন আছে দেখো, let us check. You see, I again use year as the x-axis. See this year, 1995, 96, 95, 94, 91, 94 to 95, the first year, and the last year is 98, 99. You could see this. 95, 90, 94, 95 is the first year, and last year is 96, 99. Here, so I use this years as this. Now let us check for only how can we use these entries, how can we plot this diagram or these entries. Let us check for only one case. Let us see. বোঝার সুবিধাতে আমি একটা করে দিচ্ছি, বুঝতে সুবিধা। Say for the case of 1994-95, we have USA. এটা হচ্ছে 1994-95 এন্ট্রিটা আমি লিখছি। USA, হংকং, মালয়েশিয়া, সিঙ্গাপুর, and Germany, right? So for the USA there is 2010. For the Hong Kong there is 86. Malaysia is 56. Singapore is 275. Germany is 91. The total is 718, right? So how can I draw this? একটা drawing দেখিয়ে দিই, তাহলে বাকিগুলো বুঝতে পারবে। So how can I draw this? আমি এইটা শুধু ড্র করবো, রাইট? এইটা ড্র করবো। So at the beginning, as you why I write the up to 180, 1800, কেন এই পর্যন্ত গেছি? Let us check. What is the maximum data? Total is 108. See this. See my mouse position. 1800. So there is the maximum value. For all numeric value, there is the maximum 1800. So I go for this. Top. Okay. Now let us go for this particular example. First, you have to plot 210. Again, the 200 before plotting 210, the gapping is as usual. You can write there gapping 200. You can go for the gapping of 100. You can go for the gapping of 50 as usual. Choice is yours. যত gapping কম করে করবে তত তোমার স্ক্রিনের সাইজ বড় করতে হবে। ওকে, সো আই গো ফর 200 ফর রাফ স্কেচিং। ফার্স্ট অফ অল আই ড্র 210। কি করে 210 ড্র করলাম দেখো, এই যে এটা, this is the 200 point, so 210 is roughly here, so simply draw this. Okay, now above it I use another rectangle of 86 height. How can I get it? 210 plus next data is 86, so add them 86, we get 296. So I have to go up to 296, and this is the point to get 296. So I go up to this and draw this rectangle whose height is 86. Height is 86. Okay, then how can I draw this? Next case, next height is 56. You see there is the value 56 here, right? So we add this 56 and we have 352. So this is the position where you get roughly value is 352. So I draw this line and use this rectangle. The height is 56. Then Malaysia complete. After we get Singapore 275. Then we add 275 with this. আবার বলছি subdivided bar diagram is little bit calculative. Subdivided bar diagram is little bit calculative. Calculation লাগে প্রত্যেকটা টেবিল বানাতেই. So I like this 6. So go up to 627. So this is the point roughly here, 627. Again I draw this rectangle and the height is 275. Then add 91, the last point, that is Germany, 91. So naturally there should be 718. So go up to this point is 718 and I draw this rectangle and whose height is 91. Clear? Similarly, you can draw these 4 cases. And again, you have to use the shade for each USA, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, and Germany. Either you use this complex shading or you can use simple shading like this. Let us checking the shade. আমি শেডটা দিচ্ছি দেখো. Let you use this. This is a single bar, and you subdivide the bar. Looks like this. I use a simple shading like this. পরীক্ষার সময় যে অনেক সময় স্পিডে সম্ভব হয় না, so I use simple shading. And I use the notation symbol like this. Multiplication means Singapore, say for example, Germany, and minus symbol means Singapore. Then plus symbol means Malaysia. Then division symbol implies Hong Kong. And then last, the power symbol means USA. So I think it is easiest shading technique, I think. No need to use this complex type of shading. এরকম কঠিন ছবি আঁকতে পারলে ভালো, choice is yours. তোমার যদি সময় থাকে পরীক্ষার সময়, you can do this, but তার জন্য মার্কস তুমি এক্সট্রা পাবে না, আগে বলে দিলাম। শেডিং বেশি করে তোমার মনে শান্তি হবে হয়তো, বাট তার জন্য এক্সামিনার তোমাকে মার্কস বেশি দেবে না, এটা তোমার আগে বলে দিলাম। ইউ হ্যাভ টু দেখবে, এক্সামিনার দেখবে whether you can identify everything or not. That's enough. Okay, so This is the pattern you can draw. And obviously, there should be naming heading. Subdivided bar diagram showing the India's export of electric goods to different countries during this and this and this. Okay. Any query? Any query regarding?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
আজকে আমি এখানে শেষ করবো কারণ ওদেরকেও আমরা এই বেশি করাইনি। সুতরাং আমার আর বার ডায়াগ্রামে বিশেষ কিছু নেই। 3 রকম বার ডায়াগ্রাম। নেক্সট ডে উইল গো ফর লাইন ডায়াগ্রাম এন্ড হিস্টোগ্রাম। পাই চার্ট অলরেডি ডান।